vagina looked like Cat Stevens' face. But I'm saying it was big. Okay. There was a lot of hair in the area. Also, here's another thing I remember that I hadn't remembered since I was little. When I was really little, I would like take showers with my mom, and the water, let me start over. Her water source was like the shower head. That's where she would like get wet from. And it would cascade down her body and like pike off of her Jewy like bohemian 70s bush. That